Welcome to our channel. Today we how to transfer your domain with GoDaddy, beginner guide step by step clearly. To transfer your domain with GoDaddy, start by logging into your GoDaddy account. Navigate to the domain section from your account dashboard. Select the domain you wish to transfer to another registrar. Before you proceed, ensure your domain is eligible for transfer. Confirm that your domain is unlocked. To do this, click on the lock status and toggle it to unlock. Next, retrieve the authorization code needed for the transfer. Locate the additional settings section and select Get Authorization Code. Make a note of the code, as you'll need it for the transfer process. Now, head to the website of the registrar you are transferring to. Initiate the domain transfer process on their website. Enter your domain name in the required field. When prompted, input the authorization code you obtained from GoDaddy. Follow any additional instructions provided by the new registrar. Complete the payment if necessary for the transfer fee. After submitting the transfer request, check your email for confirmation. GoDaddy will send an email confirming the transfer request. Make sure to approve the transfer using the link in that email. Once approved, the transfer process may take several days. You will receive another notification when the transfer is complete. Finally, verify that your domain is now listed under your new registrar's account. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Log out when you finish, especially on shared devices, to keep your account and payment information secure. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.